In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram ads disable a restricted Instagram ads account. Either your ads account is being banned for payment method, temporary hold, or just being banned for circumventing their policy, or whichever reason Facebook or Instagram ban your ads account. I'm going to be showing you two steps in this video. That is two methods. The first method is a normal method, while the second method is one of the best. Even though your ads account is being restricted or disabled, I will show you a way you can keep running Instagram ads even though Instagram does not want you to run ads again. If you just want to skip to that second method, just make sure you watch this video to the end, or you can just fast forward this video to any help in this, me helping you on how you can be able to target the right audience on Instagram, your Instagram ads, payment method. Chat this number on the screen and I'll be able to help you. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon. Let's get on this without further ado.
fb.com, or however you want to type it on your computer, and once you type that in, you're going to see your home page right here, right? And you're going to see that the name of my client, okay, you can see it here. So I'm just going to click on the left hand side, you click on see more, and on this place you want to make sure that you click on ads manager. So your home might be up here, your home might be anywhere in this left hand side, so just click on that ads manager. You understand? So once you do this, then the next page is actually going to load, which is your ad account, right? So let's look, or let's view the ad account that is actually disabled, which was already connected to our Instagram account. So what do we do? So now the reason why this ad account is being disabled is because they're having difficulty in verifying the payment method of this account. Now listen, this is not just limited to if only your ads account is disabled because of payment method. No, if your ads account is disabled for whatever reason, I'm showing you a step on what you can do right now. So stay on this video and watch, listen attentively. So the next thing I'm just going to do, I'm just going to cancel that message out of the screen. So the next thing I'm going to do, on the normal, there's a particular red message or black message that is going to show here, showing you that the ads account is disabled. Do you understand? So the next thing you are just going to do is, I'm going to go to this payment method side. Let's just view the reason why this thing is like this, because they actually told us that payment method has been disabled. Opening here. Now we are here already. You're going to see something like ad account disabled. We notice some unusual activity, whatever. We disable your ad account, verify your account to run ads again. So you're going to see something like contact support. This is the first method you can use in getting your disabled ad account on Instagram to work again. Do you understand? Which you've connected to your Facebook. Okay, this is the first step you want to take. Do you understand? By clicking on the contact support. In fact, you might even see something like, when you get to this home page right here of the ads account, you see something like request review, a red message that has a button request review. So you want to make sure that you click on that. Either you see contact support or request review. That's the first step. The second method is going to blow you out right now, because that is the ultimate solution. Should in case maybe they've banned you completely from using the ads account, I will show you a method that will allow you to be able to run ads. Even though this ad account is being banned, you can just do something else to start. While that one is being banned, you can continue to run your ads. I will show you a method right now. So you're going to see something like review. So you put the issue description that, okay, this is what is happening, blah blah blah, I'm having problem in I just created an ad and I saw that you get what I'm saying. So make sure you put every description here, especially what you did last on your ad account. Do you understand? To make it banned. So be truthful. And the next thing is, they are asking for a bank statement. On your own, they might tell you, okay, give us a screenshot of what you are talking about, or the evidence of what you are talking about. So you input it here, and once you input it here, you click on request review. Do you understand? So should in case you don't see any button telling you to request a review, this is what I want you to do. Let's cancel this billing page and let's go back. Let's say the moment you get to your ads manager right here, do you understand? So if they've told you that your ad account is permanently restricted, or they told you that your ad account is disabled but you want to keep running ads, you don't want that to stop you. So this is the thing you are going to do. So you are going to go to this place we have here. You're going to go to the left hand side and you're going to see something like this settings icon. So I want you to click on it. It's below the screen. Click on that setting icon, and once you click on that setting icon, Then the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to go down.
You want to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you see something like add account roles. Now you see that we have 2 people using this ad account. They are ad account admin on this ad account, so you want to make sure you remove all the user. But before we do it, you can see we have OG Michael as an admin, Big M Kicks as an admin. These are the Instagram accounts connected to this ad account. Let me show you the Instagram account right now. Please, we have OG Michael. The name is OG Michael. It has the same profile picture, and it's BSBGM Kick. So let's look for it. The first one we are talking about, this is the Instagram account here. Do you understand? Which I showed you on the screen right now. So I'm going to click on remove user, remove all the Instagram accounts connected to this place. Do you understand? Remove user. Once I click on remove user as well, let's look at what is actually going to come. Do you understand? You can see we've been able to remove that Instagram account. Let's go back to that Instagram and see if that ad account has been disconnected from our Instagram account. Once we open Instagram, this is the profile. Do you understand? So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the profile, your profile. You want to boost a post. So if I click on boost a post right now, you are going to see what they are actually going to be telling me here. You can see this thing has been reset, and they are telling you to choose how you would like to boost ad on Instagram. Do you want to connect it with another Facebook ad account, or you want to create an Instagram ad account that is not going to be connected to Facebook? I will recommend you, if you're in Africa or you want to be using prepaid ad account, to use this particular one, but connect it to another Facebook ad account. This is what you can do, simple as ABC, to remove yourself from complex situations of disabled ad account on Instagram. Now, how do you connect it to another Facebook ad account? You have to be very careful. Once you select this, just click on continue, sign into another Facebook and do it. You have to be very careful here so that you don't connect it to an ad account that does not have PU if you're in Nigeria, or that is not prepaid. You can contact me on WhatsApp using this number on the screen. I'll be able to guide you on that. Do you understand? And so that you can be able to create another prepaid ad account and connect it to your Instagram so that you can run your Instagram ads successfully without problem. So I'll see you on the next video. My name is Ayo, and bye for now.